Let's take a look at some calf raise or heel raise variations on the Revolution. First of all, you should try it. You know, if you haven't been doing calf exercises, be real careful. It's really easy for your first time, even with virtually no weight, to get really sore and not even be able to walk the next day. And I don't care what anybody says, that no pain, no gain thing, that's not right. If your body's hurting that bad, that's called an injury. That's the bottom line. So look, start with both calves. And it's nice because you can grab a hold of the pivot point for the adjustable arms if you've got them all the way down. So you'll have a little handle there for stability. Put the ball of your foot up on the edge of the platform, and then, not just your toes, the whole ball of your foot. And then slowly use your calf, tighten your calf to lift your heels as high as you can. And that ends up being the part that even if you've done lots of calf work before, but you never went all the way up, even you'll get sore on this one. So take it easy. Just do one set, even if you've been doing 3 or 4 on some machine, because if you've been doing little short ranges of motion, this will be different. So notice how Josh tightens the calf, goes all the way up as high as he can. Even when he gets to the top, he keeps trying to tighten that muscle tighter and tighter. It's that control that makes things really work well, folks. And then he works on the way down. He controls it down. He doesn't just flop to the bottom. Then he retightens his calves and comes all the way back up. So that's the first version, is working both sides at the same time with this used for stability. Now, the next one would just be, I think even before the resistance, though. Yeah, let's just wait, because if they've only done 2 of them before, both sides at the same time, then let's just go to 1. Yeah. So now he's just going to stabilize on this one side, and he'll do the other one later. But all the same things we just discussed, but now he's has to learn to balance on this side, and obviously the weight's doubled now because he's just using one calf. And even after this, if you still need resistance, go ahead and adjust your handle to the closer D-ring to the grip, and then you can have a little bit of resistance while still having some stabilization from the machine over here, and a little bit of resistance pulling down and forward. And of course you can start putting on the weight up here and really add to this calf exercise. But the whole thing is going to be the control with which you try to get all the way to the top and then control all the way down to the bottom.